Hi unique family, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be making this quick and delicious okra soup. So guys, welcome back. Here are all my ingredients that I'll be using for this okra soup. I have mixed pepper, red oil, seasoning cube, which is star Maggi. I have my okra. I have my protein, which is beef, panla, and Titus fish. So here are all the ingredients I'll be using for this quick, easy and delicious okra soup. So here is my meat and fish stock. I'll be pouring in my okra, boil it for like a minute inside the meat stock. If you don't have meat stock, you can as well use normal water and add a little bit of salt and Maggi seasoning. I'll boil this for like a minute before making the stew for the okra. So guys, I'm okay with the boiling now. I don't want it to be over soft. Just for a minute is okay. So I'll put another pot on fire, add red oil. I'll not be bleaching this oil. I'll just allow it to be hot a little bit and add in the pepper mix and fry. I like this method of fried okra because it's very delicious, and you boiling it first will make the okra to be very dry. So guys, my pepper mix is well fried. I'll put in the seasoning. Still give it some time to fry very well. So you can see it's well fried because the oil is on top. I'll be adding in the boiled okra. See how it's drying. So mix everything together to combine very well before adding in my protein. So I'll combine everything together, add crayfish, and my okra soup is ready. It's very easy but very delicious and yummy. So let me know in the comment section if you are the one that has this pot of soup. What are you going to be having with it? What kind of swallow will you have this pot of soup with? Thank you guys for always stopping by. To our returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. If you are new here, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. And to our new subscriber, thank you for joining this unique family. You are highly welcome. Can you see the gorgeous, delicious okra soup? Thank you guys so much. See you all in my next one, and remain blessed. Bye.